Hello, my name is Jackie. I am a mom to two little boys. I work a ton. I'm in my car a lot. So this baby comes in handy. I've gone through 2 pregnancies, one without this, one with this. This kept me, this is a 40 ouncer. This kept me hydrated because it was easy. It was always there. Just brought it with me always. I love the handheld part, makes it really simple. I can actually hold other stuff with this hand. But the beautiful part for me is this. I would have these big water bottles that you would have to flip open, drink, or you gotta pour it out, take a lid off, pour it out. It was not as quick. This is like so quick, grab it, go. I love that aspect of it. I love that it can come with me in the car. Previously, I would have water bottles. I would have my work bag, water bottle on the seat. I'd slam on my brakes because I'm always going somewhere a little bit too quickly, probably. Just kidding. Water bottle would fly off the seat. I hated it. Like the water bottle was always trying to tuck it into my bag, make sure it wasn't gonna fly anywhere. This baby doesn't fly anywhere. Had this for about, I'll say over 2 years now. Really sturdy. It's fallen off a couple desks. It has stood up. So anyway, I absolutely love it. I'm a big water person, so I drink one of these. I guess a good tip is I drink one of these. I filled up before bed. I kind of drink a little before bed. If I'm thirsty overnight, I usually wake up, it's about this full. I drink the rest of it down to the bottom before I do anything else. I like coffee in the morning. This makes sure that I'm not getting dehydrated. Really great thing. I hope you like it as much as I do.